In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klook to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so the connection process feels simple and stress-free. Start by opening your ChatGPT interface. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen for your profile area. It's usually your avatar or initials. Click that to open the account menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This opens a panel where you control how ChatGPT behaves and what it can connect to. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. This is the hub where you manage integrations and connected services. Open it, and you'll see options to discover more tools. Click Explore Apps or Add More. Depending on your version, it may say one or the other, but both lead to the same catalog of available apps. In the catalog, you'll find a search field. Click into the search field and type Klook. Give it a moment to load the results. When you see Klook appear, select it to view the connection option. If you don't immediately see Klook, it may mean availability varies by region or account type, so double-check your spelling and try again. Otherwise, it's likely just not available to your account yet. Next, click Connect. At this point, you may be prompted to review permissions or terms before completing the link. Read these prompts carefully so you understand what information will be shared between ChatGPT and Klook. Only continue if you're comfortable with the access being requested. If there are on-screen instructions, such as confirming the connection, granting consent, or authorizing the app, follow them step by step. The prompts are designed to guide you and usually take just a few clicks. Once the connection finishes, that's it. Klook is now linked to your ChatGPT account. You'll typically see confirmation right in the Apps section, where connected apps appear. If you ever need to adjust access later, you can return to Settings, open Apps again, and manage or disconnect the integration from there. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure your ChatGPT interface is up to date so the app's catalog loads properly, and give the page a moment if results seem slow to appear. If you run into a permissions dialog you weren't expecting, take a second to read it before approving. It's always best to know exactly what you're enabling, and that's the full process. Click your profile, open Settings, choose Apps, Explore or Add More, search for Klook, hit Connect, and follow any on-screen instructions. You're all set.